Good afternoon. This is the second video covering partitioning a line segment. If you missed the first one, you wanted to get the introduction and the notes portion of this topic, please go see the video I just made before this. This one is going to help you with your home learning. Now your home learning is 6.5B, and I told you guys you did not have to do number 3 and number 4. So for the first page, I'm just going to kind of get you guys started in case you needed a little help. Go ahead, if you haven't already graphed 1 and 2, go ahead and do so now. Go ahead and pause the video and graph these, and then come, and when you're done, let it play. Okay, hopefully you've graphed these by now, and so what you're going to do is if you've got them graphed, you're going to again, count the slope. So the slope down here is going to be the vertical distance. Remember, slope is the vertical distance over the horizontal distance. And this is also a good practice for practicing finding slope. Okay. All right. So for the vertical distance, you should have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Horizontal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so rise over run, so 6 over 9. Reduced is 2 over 3. So what's going to happen is you're going to have, every 2, rise 2, run 3, and you're going to have a point. So rise 2 over 3, run 3, rise 2, run 3, rise 2, run 3, and you're back there. So now we've got 1, 2 there. And here we've got three segments, so 1, 2, 3, just like that. And so you're going to do it, place point P, so it divides it into 1 to 2. Okay, and so you're going to write the point right down here. So this is going to be a point. Okay, same thing for here. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's going to be 8 over 4 is the slope, so we're going to reduce that to 2 over 1. Okay, so we're going to rise 2 over 1, rise 2 over 1, rise 2, run 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are partitioning in 3 to 1, so wherever you put that point, there needs to be 3 segments on the left side of P and 1 segment on the right side of P, wherever you decide to put it, and you'll put it right down here. Okay, so I told you guys not to worry about 3 and 4, so let's go back to the back. Okay, now these word problems, these are the type of problems that you'll see on the FSA, okay? So you need to read through these. I'm going to help you set each of these up, okay, or at least write the lines, okay? So Luis works at a theater on 8th Avenue and 20th Street. Okay, so first let's plot that. So 8th Avenue and 20th Street. Okay, so this is the theater. That's where Luis works. Okay. Caleb is at the corner of 18th Avenue and 4th Street. So the Caleb's right there. So what is a possible location that's midway between them? A couple ways we can do this. One way we'll do it. So we'll connect that. Okay. Use the midpoint formula on this one. So one way you could do this one is so this is what, 8, 20, and 18, 4. So one thing you could do is add them both up and divide by 2. So that'll be what, 26, 24. And if we divided both by 2, you divide those, that would be your point. That would be halfway in there. That's probably the easiest way to do it. Or the way you could do it is to, again, count down from there to there. So that's what, going to be 20 to 4. So that's what, 16. Is that correct? And then over this way is going to be 8, no, 10. Let me see. 10. 20 to 4, 16, that's right. Tell you what, let's just do that. Let's just leave it this way, because that's pretty much done there. So that's going to be your point right there. Okay. So number 6, Nima lives at the corner of 4th Avenue and 4th Street. So Nima's right there. Bill lives at the corner of 10th and 6th. I'll tell you, let's just look for names. Nima and Bill, okay. Favorite bakery is located midway between them. Again, let's do this the same way. All right, so Nima, that's a weird name. All right, 4, 4. And Bill is 10, 6. Okay, so what we're going to do to get the midpoint, you add them up and divide by 2. So we're just going to add them up. 14, 10. Divide both by 2. 14 divided by 2. That's it. So that's going to be halfway between them. Should be right in there. Okay. Oops, and actually, this one goes here. Make sure we're on. This one goes here. Okay. 7. Cleve's Cookie Store is located at the corner of 2nd Avenue and 9th Street. 2nd and 9th is right there. Dave's Doorknobs is located at 12th and 14th. 12th and 14th. So we're going to go from Cleve's to Dave's. 12th and 14th is right there. Okay, I believe this one says we're going to go located 1/5 from Cleve's Cookie Store. Located 1/5 of the distance from Cleve's Cookie Store is the post office. So 1/5 of the distance from here. So we're going to we're going to partition this. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1/5. Okay, so 1/5 of the distance. Now, this is going to be a little bit different. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 segments right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1/5, one of them is going to be right here. So 1/5 away from Cleve's Cookie Store, so it's going to be right there. Just like that. Okay. Malik and Brad both live on 3rd Avenue. Malik's there, Brad's up there. 2/3 of the distance from Malik's apartment to Brad's apartment is a marker. So 2/3 of the distance from Malik's to Brad's. Okay, so 2/3 the distance. So if we're going to go 2/3 from there to there, we're going to go divide it into thirds, and we're going to go 2 of them. Okay. So really, what we can do is just divide. See 1. So 19 minus 1. Okay. So that's 18 right there, from there to there. Okay. And once we're divided into thirds, okay. So it talks about 2/3 of the distance. So thirds, 18 divided by 6, or I'm sorry, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay. So each third is going to be a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right there. Yep, that's right. All right, so 2/3 is just going to be right there. So it would be that point. Okay. And then last, number 9. Main entrance to the high school is located at the corner of 17th and 19th. 17th and 19th, that's the school. On his way from school to the bank, Louis stops at the coffee shop located at 12th Avenue and 15th. So 12th and 15th is going to be right there. So there's the coffee shop to the school. Right here. Wants to know, the coffee shop is the midpoint of the trip. Hold on. I'm sure we're reading this straight. Oh, okay. See, I did not read that wrong. So this is a good mistake, a common mistake that students probably make, because I just made it. Okay, so this is the main entrance of the school right here. It's located at 17th and 19th. Okay, on his way from school to the bank. Okay, see, I was just going there initially. So he's going to the bank. So where's the bank? Bank is, that's what we have to find the bank. Okay, so it's telling us that the coffee shop is halfway there. Okay, so this is going to be half our distance right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out the slope, okay, that we did go down and over, and then we're going to do that same way down and over, and that's going to get us there, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this is one of those problems where you had endpoint and midpoint find the other endpoint. So this is just another way to do these problems. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So we go down 4 over 5, and we'll go down 4 over 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here, and that'll be your answer right there. At this point, so down 4 over 5. Go down 4 again over 5. That'll be your answer. All right. So that's it. Hopefully that helps you on your homework, and that'll be it.